Harnessing the unique capabilities of its bespoke performance manufacturing center in Marysville, Ohio, Acura will introduce handcrafted limited edition vehicles, starting with the 2020 Acura TLX PMC Edition. With production starting this summer, the 2020 TLX PMC Edition will be built by the same master technicians that hand-assembled the Acura NSX supercar. Deliveries of the exclusive 2020 TLX PMC Edition will begin this summer with pricing around $50,000. The 2020 Acura TLX PMC Edition features summary, exclusive to TLX PMC Edition: Valencia Red Pearl Nano Pigment Paint, unique PMC Edition numbered serial plaque, gloss black 19-inch split 5-spoke wheels with black lug nuts, gloss black roof panel, gloss black door handles, gloss black diamond pentagon grille with body-colored grille surround, dual 4-inch black chrome exhaust finishers, premium black Milano leather seats with Alcantara inserts, black piping and red stitching, perforated leather wrapped steering wheel with red stitching and paddle shifters, red stitching on door panels, center console and armrests, premium floor mats with metal A-spec badging.